Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. This is a quick tutorial on how to install Git on Windows 11. Git is a powerful version control system that is essential for developers. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to download the Git. Open any web browser of your choice. I am opening Google Chrome. Search for Git. Hit the enter key. In the search result, select the first option https://git-scm.com. The next page, click on the downloads link. Under the download links, it will show all the installer files for Mac OS, Linux or Windows. So I am going to install in Windows 11. So click on the Windows. So in the next page, it will give the installer file link. Check is your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. According to that, you can download the installer file. Mine is 64-bit, so I am clicking on this 64-bit Git for Windows setup. When we click on that link, download will automatically start. Wait for the download to complete. Open the downloads folder, double click on the exe file. It will ask for the permissions. Just click on yes. In the installation window, click on next. It will show the file location where Git is going to install and click on next. Here it will show the options which are already checked. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you click on this checkbox. Otherwise, leave as it is and click on next. If you want to create a start menu folder, don't check this box. If you don't want to create a start menu folder, you click on this checkbox. So then click on next. Next, keep it default. Here, keep the option which says recommended. And next, here select this use external open SSH. Then next. If you want to change anything here, you change the settings according to your need. I'm keeping all the options as default. Wait for the installation to complete. Setup has finished the installation. If you want to launch the Git now only, click on this checkbox, or if you uncheck and click on finish. It has been launched. We can start working. If you want to confirm is Git installed properly, go to run, press window R, write cmd, hit the enter key. In the command prompt, type git --version, hit the enter key. If it shows the version number of Git, that means Git has been installed successfully. That's all for this Git installation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.